device cPanel. That's I have one site here. I have this site here, and I have this site here. I'll use this because mwenyewe mess up nayo. So I'm going to clear this. So I'm going to use this one, transfer this site to this one. So totally these people have messed up with this site, but I'll delete it now. Now I'm going to transfer this site from this place to this one. This is a different cPanel called PG. This is that I was telling Vincent or Mark to do. It has already have the theme inside it. So I don't know whether you can do it, but it's using a different text editor that's using WP Bakery, not Elementor. That's now the big challenge that maybe you are going to face when you're doing this project. If you'll agree with my terms and conditions, that is it. But if not, I'm going to do it myself. So with this site here, I'm going to clear this one first. Clear this first. I want to clear on this cPanel. Log in. Now I'll clear everything. It's going to procedure. Clear everything. Come down here. Install. Remove everything. Anyone using these themes, even Mark already tampered with it, so there's no need. So if I come and look for this one, enter, I'll see there's nothing. Now, I'll go back to my site, this one here. I will use this one to log into cPanel. Log into your dashboard. Now, when you are here, the first step is to log into your dashboard. The second step, go to Setting, General. Ukiwa hapa kwa Setting General, go to the domain name of the site that you want to transfer that site to. Copy it. Copy this one and paste it here. Once I paste this and save it, the site will go. Save. That site you won't get it. Now if I come to PGA, and enter, the site will be there, but in the dashboard we won't get it. Now the next step is to go to PA database, admin. I don't know how many databases I have, but I have not confirmed. After changing that, you go to database. I'm using this database called that one. Double click it. After this, go to WP user. P user or WP option. Let me just look. There's something here. It's not coming clear. Let me just go to database. WP options. Now, once you have the PGA, look the name PGA and the link now already changed. It's when you download it. Now I'm going to download this, export, because I've already changed the domain name from the database. Export. After that, I'll go to my files manager, server 3. Go to your file manager. Go to public and select everything. Select all apart from this one and this one, and ensure that you zipped. After that, download this one here. Download. Now I'm done with the PGA cPanel. Now I'm going to where I want my site to be. Now where my website want to be is called here. I'm going to create database. Go to database. Database. And this makes sense. And create this. Now the challenge is understand this structure. You create the database. So the database I want to create should be the same name. I can say save and create. Alright? Go back. I'm going to create the username. Username is here. Zach. Generate the password. Generate. Copy. Don't forget about this one. Copy these and use it. Now create it. Save. Go back. Down here, you're going to add the data username Zach, database add the privilege. All the privilege to be added. Saved. Right? I can do in two ways. I can go in two ways. I can work on the password first, or I can do let me just work on one first. Copy. No. I don't want to mess with everything. I'll open a new document here. New. Then say loop. Then restrict this one and zip the file under downloads. Inside here. Okay, I'll get inside here and look for the configure. Open it. Open the wconfigure. maybe I'm going to use Sublime because it's very simple. And open the file. Downloads. And open the WP configure, which is this one. Now, there is something called database password. When you're using a localhost, there will be no database password. When you're using a cPanel, there must be database password. I'm going to change the database password with the database password you may create. Are you using where you generate password? Then I copy it. Now I want to copy it from here, paste it here. All right. Now, they have the database name and the database username, the one that we are created. So those one, we are going to just pick them. If we are not good in mastering things, we can just get from here. This what? This PGA. Let me look one. Yes, let me just go back. Now I will start with any of them. Maybe I can go for database, which is this one. Copy it the way it is. Don't copy from like equina space come up. It is an error in programming. And so that the last word E, copy that one. Go to Sublime. That is what database name. We paste it here. Paste there. I can copy this, but let me just follow the procedure because I know people will do whatever I've done and they start having errors. I'll just come here again and do copy this one. Paste. Now, if you're very keen, whatever I've done here is three categories. Number one, I've changed the database name, number two, username and passwords. And all of them, they are coming from the cPanel that you want to transfer your site to. So after that, I can save it, then close. After closing that, I'll go back to my folder here and select everything. Control A, right click, zip it, zip. Well, in the process zipping that, we go back to our cPanel, and go to softwares, not software database, and click phpMadmin. When we click create, you click that phpMadmin, you will see the database you create, which is this one here. Now you link this database that we may create, now the other database we may download from that cPanel. Now you link those database together. So what to do here, I just click the database and say import, select the file. Now extended downloads, this is the database name. It has some very funny things. Yes, that is it. Open. Let's go. Everything is good. While you're waiting for that, we are going back here and see how. Now it is done and it's zipped under index. So what I want to do here is I'm going to my cPanel again under that cPanel, and so far it has nothing. So I'm going to file manager. You must be very keen about this. File manager here, and go to public HTML, and do maybe things are here which is we don't need them. We delete everything. Now from here you upload the folder that you zipped. The folder that you zip downloads. Go to, there's a folder here, downloads, which is the file download, I think. This one here, then pick the index zipped one, open. give it some time. Okay. Now back here, I just click go back and unzip it. Now you must be ready for error. Reload. You must be ready for errors and see if the site is already transformed. Hiyo site iko kwa cPanel ya nani? Ya Masi. And that how simple is it.